Hello and welcome to our visual tour of 941A Vineyard Place, townhouse condos in Bennett's Creek Square. This 4-bed, 3-bath townhome offers a large bedroom and full bath on the first floor in this spacious plan, and much more. Call for a private tour. Beautiful new floor plan with lots of glorious amenities. This 5-bedroom home comes with a large loft area for extra family space, 2 large primary suites, rear entry 2-car garage. Kitchen has an oversized island with granite tops, dual ovens and countertop cooktop range. Space for everything. Lots of closets and storage space throughout. 9-feet ceilings on first floor gives this home an even larger feel. Builder and 2 to 10 warranty included. October 10, 2024.